A capacity crowd is here tonight. Oh, yes! Oh, nice! Oh, we know what's coming! Tell me when I can open my eyes. I can't watch this. Oh, look out! Buckle bomb! He's taking him downtown! Oh, this is it!
1, 2,
And it's all over! Here we go! Oh, do you hear that crowd? Magnificent! Oh, such technique! This can end his career! Signature move! Oh, just awesome! Oh, look out! Buckle bomb! That'll be heard all around the world! Ah, this is it! This is it!
1, 2, 3.
I know I saw it, but I still don't believe I saw it. And there's the bell! This turned into pure mayhem! Signature move! Jackknife splash! This is the move that makes him famous! Could end his career. Lasso from El Paso. Oh, looks like he's struggling. No chance. It's pandemonium in the ring. This is what the fans came to see. That'll be heard all around the world. He's in danger of being pinned.
1, 2, 3.
It was just a matter of time. Oh, we're off to a winning start. Oh, we know what's coming. Signature move.
Jackknife splash!
That'll be heard all around the world. Look at this.
Lasso from El Paso! It doesn't get any closer than that without the bell ringing.
I can't believe this is happening. Signature move.
Jackknife splash!
That'll be heard all around the world. Oh, yes. This is what the fans came to see.
Submitted!
No chance. Are you for real? Nice. I can't believe this is actually happening. Astonishing. A capacity crowd is here tonight.
Oh no, not again!
Yep, he's going for it. Here we go. He's flying high. Let's bring on the mayhem. Bam! Remarkable.
Oh, a loss now would be catastrophic!
Oh, he's in danger of being pinned. Ouch! Oh, things just got crazy.
Oh, here we go again!
Heck, that was pure mayhem. Oh, yes. Bam! Oh, that was brutal. Magnificent. Oh, we know what's coming. Did he really just fall for that? I can't watch this. It's too much. Let's bring on the mayhem. Oh, yes, yes, he's going for it. Oh, that'll leave a mark. Here we go. Signature move. Oh, look out. Buckle bomb. That'll be heard all around the world. Spectacular. Signature move. Oh, no. I can't look. Oh, he's in trouble.
1, 2, 3.
Someone's tail is tucked between their legs!
And here we go. This is what the fans came to see.
Backbreaker.
He just unloaded on him.
1, 2,
I can't watch this.
3.
I know I saw it, but I still don't believe I saw it.
There's the bell. Oh no, I can't look. Look, signature move.
Jackknife splash.
Oh, he's taking him downtown. Oh, yes. Ouch! I can't watch this.
Lasso from El Paso. Submitted.
No chance! I can't believe this is happening! Signature move!
Jackknife splash.
He's taking him downtown! I can't watch this!
1, 2, 3.
I know I saw it, but I still don't believe I saw it.
We're off to a winning start! Ah, he's barely holding on!
Man, will you listen to that crowd?
Get up! Almost! Man, do you hear that crowd? Look at this action!
I can't wait to get started.
Oh, nice! I can't believe this is happening! Oh wait, he's not going to, is he? That'll be heard all around the world!
Oh, here we go again.
Oh, he's going for a submission!
Submitted. It doesn't get any closer. closer than that without the bell ringing.
What is he up to? Signature move!
Jackknife splash.
That'll be heard all around the world! Oh, such technique! This is what the fans came to see! He's back in it!
How much more punishment can one endure? Jackknife splash.
This is the move that makes him famous!
Good cover. Is it enough?
1, 2, 3.
Submitted. Oh, I think we have the best seat in the house.
Spectacular! This is what the fans came to see! Signature move!
Jackknife splash.
That'll be heard all around the world! Ouch! He's in trouble! He's going for a submission!
Submitted.
No chance! It's pandemonium in the ring! Signature move!
Jackknife splash.
Oh, he's taking him downtown! He's in trouble!
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's all over!